Hey everyone, it's Rezki here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's super important for your health, the effects of alcohol on your organs. We all know that too much alcohol is bad for us, but have you ever stopped to think about what's actually happening inside your body after that beer goes down? It's not pretty. We're talking about serious damage to vital organs like your stomach, liver, kidneys, lungs, and even your heart. So, if you're curious about how to take better care of yourself, or maybe you've indulged a little too much lately and want to understand the risks, this video is for you. Let's get started. Alright, let's break down what happens from the moment alcohol hits your stomach. Think of your stomach like a delicate ecosystem. It needs the right balance of fluids and enzymes to break down food properly. Now, alcohol throws a wrench in that whole system. It messes with your stomach's ability to produce those essential digestive fluids. You know, that burning sensation you sometimes feel after a drink? That's your stomach basically getting irritated and inflamed, but it doesn't stop there. Alcohol can also interfere with your stomach's ability to absorb nutrients from your food. So even if you're eating a balanced diet, heavy drinking can actually lead to malnutrition over time. And here's the kicker. Alcohol can actually make you crave more alcohol. It creates this vicious cycle of wanting to drink even though it's harming your stomach. You might experience nausea, bloating, that uncomfortable feeling of fullness and even pain. In the long run, this constant irritation can lead to serious digestive issues like gastritis, which is inflammation of the stomach lining, or even ulcers, which are open sores in the lining. Not fun, right? And trust me, you don't want to mess around with ulcers. They can cause a lot of pain and discomfort and can even lead to internal bleeding if left untreated. So the next time you reach for that extra drink, remember what it's doing to your poor stomach. It's not worth the risk. Now let's move on to the liver, your body's detox powerhouse. It works tirelessly to filter out toxins like alcohol from your blood. But when you overload your liver with alcohol, it's like asking it to run a marathon every single day. Think about it this way. Your liver can only process a certain amount of alcohol per hour. When you drink faster than your liver can keep up, the alcohol starts to build up in your bloodstream, leading to intoxication. Over time, this constant exposure to alcohol can damage your liver cells, and as those cells try to repair themselves, they can form scar tissue. This scarring is what we call fibrosis. In the early stages, you might not even notice any symptoms, but as fibrosis progresses, it can lead to cirrhosis, a serious condition where your liver becomes stiff and lumpy. Cirrhosis makes it much harder for your liver to do its job properly. It can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body, causing jaundice, which makes your skin and eyes look yellow, fluid retention in your abdomen, and even internal bleeding. And in severe cases, cirrhosis can be fatal. It's a sobering reminder that your liver is not invincible. It needs your care and respect. Chapter 3. Your kidneys under pressure. Let's move on to your kidneys, those incredible organs that filter your blood and remove waste products. They're essential for maintaining your body's fluid balance and keeping your blood pressure in check. But here's the thing. Alcohol throws a wrench in your kidneys' delicate filtration system. Those tiny blood vessels in your kidneys? Alcohol can cause them to lose their elasticity and undergo fatty changes. This damage makes it harder for your kidneys to filter your blood effectively. Over time, this can lead to a gradual loss of blood and body power, making you feel weak and fatigued. You might notice changes in your urination, like going more often or having foamy urine, which can be a sign of protein leaking into your urine. In severe cases, alcohol abuse can even lead to kidney failure, a life-threatening condition where your kidneys can no longer filter your blood properly. Chapter 4. Alcohol's grip on your lungs. Now, you might be surprised to learn that alcohol doesn't just affect your liver, stomach, and kidneys. It can also wreak havoc on your lungs. You see, alcohol has this sneaky way of relaxing the blood vessels in your lungs. Now you might think, relaxation sounds good, right? But in this case, it's not a good thing. When those blood vessels relax too much, they become more prone to congestion, especially during rapid temperature changes. Imagine this. You've had a few drinks on a cold winter night and you step outside into the freezing air. The sudden temperature change can cause those relaxed blood vessels in your lungs to constrict rapidly, leading to a potentially dangerous condition called pulmonary edema, where fluid builds up in your lungs. pulmonary edema can be life-threatening, especially if you already have underlying heart or lung conditions. It's a scary reminder that alcohol's effects can extend far beyond just feeling tipsy. Chapter 5. A heavy toll on your heart. And last, but certainly not least, let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps your entire body going. You might be surprised to learn that alcohol can have a profound impact on your heart health, even if you don't have any pre-existing heart conditions. Over time, alcohol can actually weaken your heart muscle. Think of it like this. Your heart is like any other muscle in your body. It needs to be exercised regularly to stay strong. But when you drink heavily, alcohol can interfere with your heart's ability to contract and pump blood effectively. This can lead to a condition called alcoholic cardiomyopathy, where your heart muscle becomes weakened and enlarged. You might experience symptoms like shortness of breath, fatigue, swelling in your legs and feet, and an irregular heartbeat. In severe cases, alcoholic cardiomyopathy can lead to heart failure. Thank you for watching. Remember, understanding the impact of alcohol on your body is the first step towards making healthier choices. It's easy to forget that alcohol is a drug, a toxin that affects every single organ in your body. While moderate alcohol consumption might not pose significant risks for everyone, it's crucial to be mindful of your limits and listen to your body. If you're experiencing any unusual symptoms, especially after drinking, it's always best to err on the side of caution and consult with a healthcare professional. Stay informed and take care of your health. Remember, you only get one body, so treat it with the respect it deserves.